All right, we've got a weather alert day. We are expecting some strong to severe storms, at least in parts of Five Country, later today. Okay, this is not going to be an all-day rain event. We will have a chance, mainly in northwest Arkansas, for an isolated to scattered thunderstorm to start the day. I think better chances are just to the north of us. But as we go into the afternoon and evening hours, especially late afternoon, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, that's when it could really start getting going for parts of northwest Arkansas and the River Valley through the evening. So wrapping up 9, 10 o'clock. This will be the area that we really have to watch here for at least a few severe storms capable of producing very large hail, some damaging wind gusts, and a tornado or two. Not every storm is going to tap into that available fuel and energy, but at least a few likely will. We have a level 3 of 5 out for all of Five Country, meaning, again, we anticipate at least a few severe storms for some of us here in Five Country. I think areas from Huntsville down to Van Buren, and then circling back through Scott, Logan, and Johnson counties. So this area right here, if I had to really put a bullseye to watch out for, that would be the area that has the highest chance for seeing some, again, very large hail, damaging wind gusts, and a tornado or two. The tornado parameters not there like we saw just a little over 24 hours ago, where there's a lot more spin in the atmosphere from the lower to mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, but it's still there, especially with the intense supercells, which are rotating thunderstorms that we could see. Can't rule out a tornado or two. I think we have a higher chance for thunderstorms to produce damaging wind gusts and large hail than to produce widespread tornadoes. So that, again, when you see this scale, that's what it means. Again, quarter-size hails to baseball, potentially even a storm or two capable of producing up to softball size hail cannot be ruled out. The highest amount of instability we've seen so far this spring will be present over Five Country as a cold front comes through today. The cold front will be the spark that will try to get these thunderstorms going. Again, through the first half of the day, a better chance for scattered showers southwest Missouri back into portions of southern Kansas. Again, we can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm. We'll have our eyes on that. But we are overall expecting that as we go through the afternoon, we'll start to see some thunderstorms, especially by late afternoon. Between 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock, if we're going to see some thunderstorms, they'll likely be in our far northern zones. I know the model didn't show it. We'll have thunderstorm activity, I think, starting no later than 6, 7 o'clock. But we still have to watch for a few thunderstorms that try to get going a little earlier in the afternoon for northwest Arkansas. But by 6, 7 o'clock, we should start to see those thunderstorms firing up along the front. Peak daytime heating. Highs today, lower 80s northwest Arkansas, mid to some upper 80s in the River Valley. And then that'll continue south, wrapping up for Scott, Logan, and Johnson counties as we go closer to 9, 10 o'clock. Again, this is the area, Huntsville to Fort Smith, back to Waldron, Boonville, Clarksville, and everyone in between has the highest chance for thunderstorms. That's the bullseye for late afternoon and evening. Again, can't rule out a few thunderstorms earlier in the afternoon for far northwestern Arkansas. We will be keeping our eyes on the entire viewing area as we go through the day. Cooler air does come in on the backside. Friday's the winter. That'll be the coolest day. 70s, low humidity, north breeze for all of us. Possibly our coolest spots of northwest Arkansas could be into the upper 60s.
Okay, so Friday's the day.
Friday's the day, and we do get a break through the weekend, which we will likely need.
Love that. All right.